This is my 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP. We got the Yoshi At2 race exhaust. Warmed it up, put about 10K on it. Just came here to this dead end road. We got the DB killer in there. We also got the Stage 2 air filter lid and the Vcyclenut flash and tune. Everybody wanted to hear what it sounds like. So it's already warmed up, so this is what you can expect. Fire it up. So idle's not bad. A little bit of a gurgle. Right to the bar there, that last one. So it's pretty loud when you get on it. It's a little bit louder just running. Obviously it's a little bit deeper tone when it's idling, but when you're revving it, it's loud enough. It's loud enough to get you in trouble if you're doing more than the speed limit. So that's my bike, guys.